Hello everybody, it is Tuesday, October the 3rd. We are excited about what we're about to show you. Those of you may know we just recently redid our hallways and put up our new signage along our doors and everything. Today we're starting actually working on our new kids hallway. And so what we're going to be doing, if you just come with me, I'm going to turn the camera around so y'all can see what we're doing, if I can find the button to turn it around. Okay, here we go. Let's do it this way. So we've got strings running from the top two corners of the room of the hallway, and they're running the full length all the way down to the bottom corners on the other end of the hallway. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to two-tone this wall. So this top part of the wall will be one color, and the bottom part will be another color, and same thing on the opposite side. And then the doorways are going to be another color. So this is going to be a very colorful, fun hallway. That when the kids walk in, they just get hit in the face with all this color and patterns and stuff we're going to be doing. And that's going to also open up the colors for all of our individual classrooms. We're going to paint those next once we're done with the hallway. Got a lot of rivet guns and power drills and paintbrushes are fixing to go flying. And so I'll give you some time-lapse work in the future, and y'all can see kind of what we're going to be doing as far as colors and everything. So come along for the ride. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, October the 8th, and we are here at the church early. We're getting a few things cleaned up from the week, all the painting and room setups and all of that. So, but we're excited about what God's going to do today, and come along and join us. Morning, chaps.
Good morning, David.
How we doing? Everything's wet.
Everything's wet, David.
Including Joyce and Kasem.
Yeah, I think it's got to my hair too. I don't know if it's.
I think we're gonna have to bring a blow dryer and keep here.
We'll bake the bed. We'll bake the bread again with the blow dryer.
Yeah.
There we go. You right there, Case?
Oh. Oh, you caught me here.
You preemptively striked.
Good morning, how you doing? Fantastic day to be in church.
Amen.
Raining outside, but it doesn't matter. Still come in, give the glory to God.
He's going to do product placements later.
Hey, Bates, let me have some.
Good morning, by the way.
Good morning.
Heard your husband fun yesterday?
Great. Did you see my pictures?
I did. And our wreath is on our front door. What about yours?
My wreath was already on my front. I brought it as a prop, and then the ladies went ahead.
Okay, now time for truth.
Okay.
Did you make it, or did your mother make it?
My mother. But I can. But my mother.
Good morning.
Good morning, Pastor.
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm wonderful. I'm ready to go this morning.
Ready to rock?
Lovely rainy morning.
Rain is lovely.
Good morning, beautiful.
You ready? He only speaks in drums, so every hit and cymbal means something. You kind of have to. That means good morning. How we doing?
Cece.
Nice to meet you.
Is it your first Sunday? Awesome. Thanks for running around. Okay. Well, I'll take it.
Oh, that's yours?
No, I don't want it. You can have it.
You're eating her biscuit?
She said she didn't want it.
I don't want it.
Teenagers. Let me see your hat.
I've just been dealing with a lot of.
Was that what you got at the one conference? Yep. I love that hat. I love that band too. Here we go. And here we go.
Connor didn't come this morning.
Y'all have fun?
We had a lot of fun.
Do it again. Do it again.
She's good at the hula hoop. We have hula hoop experts.
Woo! Now jump through it. Sweet. Go. Woo! Awesome job, girls. Well, based on the sermon today, are you and your husband perfect in marriage, or is there a yelling at the lawnmower sometimes?
Oh, they're yelling at the lawnmower symptoms. He would tell you the same, actually. He was funny because when he asked that, he looked over at me and was like, "I'm not raising my hand." So, lawnmower symptoms.
That's funny. What about it, Ann? Does John yell at the lawnmower?
I don't think so.
You and your wife perfect, or do you yell at the lawnmower?
I yell at the lawnmower. Sometimes.
Sometimes.
But then it's somebody else's more because I don't mow the grass anymore.
So he yells at the person who cuts the grass on the lawnmower. Do you go out to the garage and yell at the lawnmower?
I don't ever need to.
Why is that?
I don't know. I don't know. We don't fight.
You just say yes ma'am a lot?
I can't stand to see her sad or upset. So if I say something that makes her sad or upset, I have learned with her over the years, just address it immediately. It's all about communication. So I don't have to
Translation, one day she's going to.
What's up?
Do you go out and yell at the lawnmower?
Yeah.
How often?
Oh, quite often. I even kick it a few times.
Are we still talking about a lawnmower?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Say what?
For the record, I don't shoo my lawnmower out. My lawnmower and me get along perfectly fine.
Okay, so.
You do that so you don't get in trouble with your wife.
No, I get in trouble with the wife.
I raised my hand.
He just So what you're saying is you just love your lawnmower.
No, what he's saying is the lawnmower doesn't speak back.
Exactly.